Kids art.
Hello everyone, I am Kitsuart. So I just got some new markers called Parkoo. I haven't watched this YouTuber in a while, and I found her doing review of these markers that were also pretty affordable. I remember I wanted to buy markers last year to try them, since all I've been using were just color pencils whenever I drew on paper. So I talked to her about what would be a good affordable start, and was recommended Hyrule markers. But at the moment I had no money to do much with, and with Parkoo just being a few bucks over, why not? At first I wanted to do free commissions, but sadly no one gave me any. But looking at the new Hyrule Warriors Age of Calamity game, I was hyped and had to draw some Zelda art. And let's not forget how cute Impa looks. Everyone going crazy for this Impa. Or should I say Simpa for the Impa. I was a bit nervous using these markers. Once I colored Link's hair, I paused and believed, oh no, I messed up right from the start, but I just dealt with it and kept on coloring with the same color. The paper took me an hour to fill with the colors. It's very handy since it lets me know how the colors look like once they are on paper. And it's a really big help, the small piece of paper that comes with the markers. I also thought I messed up when coloring Link's face, so I paused yet again. And then I also paused a few more times, since it was my first time using these markers. And the ink bleeds a bit through the paper, but it's not a big deal, I can improvise. I'll just put like a paper beneath the paper and let that paper suffer the bleed. So far I believe I actually did well, even though some of the ink did got out of the lines, and I also messed up the color on Impa's right ear, so not able to fix it. But so far, not bad I suppose. I am not that good at drawing and coloring, but this took only about 3 hours to do, which was not really expecting to only take 3 hours on this. Well, there you have it. That's my first time using the Parkoo markers, or alcohol markers, coloring Link, Zelda, and Impa from Age of Calamity coming out this November. I also took a picture of the markers I used, and I have not used much. It could have turned out better if I knew what colors to use. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to poke that like and subscribe button, share with your friends, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care of yourselves guys. See you later.